Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Got 3 minutes? Perfect. I'm here to show you how to get flexible fast with 3 simple stretches. No fuss, just effective movements that you can do anywhere. First up, we've got the reverse tabletop variation. Sit down with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Lean back with your fingertips pointing outwards. Now lift your hips towards a reverse tabletop, tucking your tailbone and engaging that core. Step 1 foot back slightly, then press your weight forward to tap your knee to the ground. Hold this for 20-30 seconds per side. This one's a game changer. It targets multiple muscles, improves blood flow, and boosts your arch health and balance. Pretty cool, right? Next, we have the assisted low squat. Grab a stick, strap, or even a rolled up pair of socks for this one. Stand with a wide stance, toes mostly forward. Hold onto your support and squat down low, around 60 degrees. Now alternate between this low squat and standing. This stretch lengthens muscles used in bending, squatting, and folding, reducing potential pain and making everyday movements smoother. Simple, yet super effective. Lastly, let's dive into the kneeling hip flexor and side reach. Kneel down. Feel free to use a cushion for extra comfort. Lunge one hip forward, driving your knee slightly wider than the ankle. Now side reach with your upper forearm towards your thigh, or go deeper if you're feeling flexible. Add an overhead arm cradle for an even deeper stretch. Hold for 30 seconds per side. This stretch is fantastic for improving hip flexor flexibility, shoulder mobility, and posture. These 3 stretches target major muscle groups, including ankles, quads, hip flexors, wrists, biceps, shoulders, hamstrings, inner thighs, lats, and triceps. Talk about full body flexibility improvement. So there you have it. 3 simple stretches that deliver comprehensive benefits without taking up too much of your time. Remember, consistency is key. Take a few minutes out of your day to stretch, and you'll be amazed at how much more flexible you'll become. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more quick and effective fitness tips. Stay flexible, my friends, and see you in the next video.